Mr. Doggy has a friend. Today we're going to learn 花和树, meaning flower and tree. First of all, I'm going to introduce flower. Emily, do you know how to say flower in Chinese? Not even close. Okay, Emily. How you say flower in Chinese is 花. Can you say 花?
花.
Really good. Can you try? That means yes. Now we could say 一朵花, which means 一个, I can't even speak today. 一朵花 means one flower. 两朵花 means two flowers. And 三朵花 means three flowers. You could use 大花 meaning big, and 小花 meaning small flower. You could use colors too, like 红色 or 白色, meaning red and white. Next I'm going to say tree. And get your flower out of my face, Emily. And so tree is pronounced 树. Can you say 树, Emily?
树.
Pretty good. Can you try?
My dog! Doggy! Let me leave my flower on the floor.
Then it's really just saying shoe, except without the E and double O. You could say 一棵树, meaning one tree, and 两棵树, meaning two. What's the other number? You guessed it. 三棵树. Emily, what are you doing? Do you know how to say one in Chinese? Emily, do you know how to say one in Chinese?
Two.
No. Do you remember? That's right. 一. You could use 大 and 小, big and small. The way you would say it is 大树 and 小树. You can still use colors, 红树和白树, although that's kind of impossible. That is pretty much the end. But do you remember how to say flower? Do you?
That's my flower.
No, not that flower. Do you remember how to say flower in Chinese? Pretty close. Just add the H in the front. That's right. Do you remember? Yeah. Great, both of you. Do you remember how to say tree? Do you remember how to say tree?
That's a tree.
That's not a tree.
The outside the tree.
You're right. But do you remember? Right. It's 树.
树.
Thank you, and see you later, and you can watch the next episode if you want.